Hello guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Gemini CLI on your Windows system. So guys, first of all, open your browser and simply search for Gemini CLI install. And here you can see the official website geminicli.com. You need to just click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page. Here you can see we have installation tab. Under that, just scroll down and we have install Gemini CLI. Okay, so here is the command which we are going to run, and for running this command we require Node.js. So on your PC you have to install Node.js. On my PC I have already installed Node.js. So I'm just opening command prompt and showing you what versions of Node.js I'm having. If you have not installed Node.js, the video link I have provided in description box, or you can click on I button to watch the video. So guys, here I'm just starting my command prompt. So in Windows search, I'm typing cmd and here is my command prompt started. And now here I'm typing node space -v. So it's showing me version of Node.js, and also I'm typing npm space -v. So it's showing me version of npm. So that means I have Node.js on my system. So now I'm going back to browser and I'm just copying this command, and here I'm starting my Visual Studio Code, and in that I will start terminal. So here I'm just taking this option terminal and new terminal. So it is asking me this, so I'm just clicking on this button. And now I don't want PowerShell, I'm just starting command prompt from here, and simply I'm going to paste the command which I have copied and hit enter. So here it will install Gemini CLI. After this we have to log into Google. So here I'm showing you Gemini space -- version, just to check whether Gemini has been installed correctly or not. So yes, it's showing me version, that means installation is done successfully. Now next thing, we are going to log in. So here I'm typing Gemini login. So here it's asking me permission, so I'm going to click on yes button. So just select this yes and hit enter guys. Next it is asking me whether you trust the folder. So again select the first option and hit enter. So guys, here it is asking me how would you like to sign in, whether you want to sign in with Google or Gemini API key. So I'm going to take Google. So first option and hit enter, and here select yes and hit enter. So it will redirect you to browser and you need to enter your Google email ID and password, and then you will get this page authentication successful. So that means my login is successful. I'm getting this message on browser. So I'm just closing this browser and going back to VS Code, and there also guys you can see I'm getting message that login successful. That means login with Google is successful. So now next here, so guys, it will just authenticate, and then you can see it's showing the message that you can write your commands over here. Here you can see Gemini CLI and version it is showing, and it is showing sign in to Google. So now whatever query or command you want to run, you can just type here. So we have logged in successfully on Gemini CLI. So I'm just giving one simple query that give me a hello world program in different programming language, and you can see guys it has shown me my output. And now second query, I'm just typing that create a CSV file for students with name and email ID. So you can see it has created a CSV file with some dummy data, and now I'm just asking location of that CSV file. So you can see it's showing me location, and here I'm just going to that location and you can see the file is there, students.csv. Similarly, I can create another CSV file. So I'm just creating for employee with whatever column I want. I've just provided that, and you can see it's doing that, right? So that means your Gemini CLI is working properly. If you want more details on this, you can go to Gemini CLI website and you can just check out cheat sheet of Gemini CLI. So guys, this way you can install Gemini CLI on your Windows machine. I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully install Gemini CLI. Guys, if my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my video as much as possible. If you have any query, you can type in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. You can connect to me on my different social media. Link of all my social media I have given in description box. Certainly you can join that. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for such more videos, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.